Emma, are you talking again? Yes, you are my little pterodactyl. Your daddy wonders why I had a bottle of Excedrin in the last 2 days. Yeah. What are you saying? Emma, are you going to stop talking now? Are you going to stop talking? Say hi. Say hi. You saying hi to all your cousins? Say hi, Noah. Hi, Happy. Hi, Delaney. Hi, Aiden. Hi, baby Geraldine on the way. Yeah. Say bye-bye.